start?
Yes.
Oh. Okay, so today we're gonna be teaching you how to change a spare tire.
What?
If you come over here, you need.
Oh.
Okay, so the spare tire is located down here. As you can see, you lift this up.
Yes, sir.
You spin this around.
Right.
Okay, so after you remove this, you remove the spare, obviously. Take it out.
Yes, oh, big muscle. Big muscle.
Okay, so the spare tire is right here. You also need the tools.
Yes, sir. Can't do nothing without the tools.
Okay, so the tire is obviously not flat, but we're just gonna pretend it is. So we need to take out the jack stand to lift the car. As you can see, you got it here. Okay, so okay, now looking under the car, you need to feel this thingy right here. That's where the jack stand is gonna go. That's where it lifts the car up. Okay, so now you need to like lower. You know, you need to make it lower, but it's gonna take forever. So. Okay, so you need to slide it under the car on that metal part I told you all about right here.
You just gotta lift it up.
Lift it up.
Whoa, it's the tool. The tool for did all that work.
Obviously, I'm not strong enough, so I'm gonna use this tool right here. So
I'm strong enough.
Okay, so I think this is how you use that. Okay.
Yep, it's working.
So, now that the car is lifted up, we're gonna replace the flat tire. Obviously, it's off the ground, and we're gonna take the lug nuts in a diamond shape because that's how all mechanics do it. So.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, working on it. There you go.
Bro, this is
That's
dumb.
not diamond. That's not diamond. There you go. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh, yeah.
Okay, so now we took the lug nuts out. We're gonna take the wheel out. So, we're just gonna remove it. Okay, for safety, we're gonna put it under the car. Do that right now. If it fits. Okay, so right now we're gonna put the spare on. The spare, you have to respect the speed limit that's written on it because you can't be going 100 on this. So now, gotta put it on here.
That thing is thinner than my pancakes.
Okay, so now you put the lug nuts on. Yeah, lefty loosey, righty tighty.
And you still.
On each one.
Too much.
You don't want to tighten them too much because it might break. So. Shake it. If it doesn't shake, it's good. If like. Yeah, so our tire is good right now, so. So now that you have installed the spare, you need to take the old tire out and put it in the trunk because you can't leave it in the middle of the highway. So we're gonna do that right now.
You roll it to the back. You open the trunk.
Now you put the tire in there. Oh, now you put the jack stand down. So get down here.
Oh wait, am I putting it? Oh wait, oh wait. 10 minutes later.
crap, your foot. Okay, so his foot, obviously, it got squished, so now he's in the hospital. I don't know what they're doing to it, but anyway, we're gonna continue putting this car down. Oh, so now that the car is down, you need to pull this out and like put all your tools back where they need to be, and I need to adjust this now. So. Okay, so now that we put this down, we need to put our tools back because that's like one of the most important things we did. So yeah, thank you. Okay, and now you need to return all the stuff back to the trunk. So just in case anything else happens, you have your tools.
Cool, I'm recording.
Wait, okay. Now that you're done with your tools, you need to put it back in the trunk. There you go. Okay, just put it in here, close the trunk, and you're ready to go.